Iowa, often overlooked. Nestled in the heart of the Midwest, it's a state that many pass by without a second thought. But those who take the time to explore will find a land rich in natural beauty and hidden gems. Yet, it holds hidden treasures. From secluded waterfalls tucked away in dense forests to serene lakes that mirror the sky, Iowa is a treasure trove of natural wonders waiting to be discovered. Rolling hills and winding rivers. These landscapes paint a picture of tranquility and timeless beauty. The hills roll gently, inviting you to take a leisurely hike or simply sit and take in the view. Lush forests and vibrant prairies. The forests are dense and full of life, offering a sanctuary for countless species of flora and fauna. The prairies burst into color with wildflowers, creating a vibrant tapestry that changes with the seasons. This is Iowa's natural beauty. It's a beauty that is both subtle and striking, a beauty that calls out to be explored and appreciated, a beauty that deserves to be seen. As the sun sets over the hills, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, one can't help but feel a sense of peace and wonder, a beauty that deserves to be protected. Conservation efforts are in place to ensure that these natural wonders remain for future generations to enjoy. Iowa's beauty is more than just scenery. It's a living, breathing ecosystem that supports a diverse array of wildlife. It's a haven for wildlife. The forests and prairies provide a home for countless species, each playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. From soaring bald eagles to playful otters, the sight of a bald eagle soaring majestically over a river or otters frolicking in a stream is a reminder of the rich biodiversity that Iowa supports. From graceful deer to colorful songbirds, the meadows and forests are alive with the sights and sounds of wildlife, from the graceful movements of deer to the cheerful songs of birds. Each creature plays a vital role in Iowa's ecosystem. The balance of nature is delicate, and each species contributes to the health and vitality of the environment. This is a call to explore Iowa, to step off the beaten path and discover the natural beauty that lies within its borders, to witness its wonders firsthand. There is nothing quite like experiencing the beauty of Iowa in person, feeling the fresh air, and seeing the landscapes with your own eyes. To understand the importance of preserving its natural heritage. By exploring and appreciating Iowa's natural wonders, we can better understand the need to protect and preserve these treasures for future generations. Protecting Iowa's natural treasures is a big job. It's a responsibility that requires dedication, expertise, and a deep love for the environment. Thankfully, the Iowa Department of Natural Resources, DNR, is up to the task. With a team of passionate professionals, they are committed to preserving the natural beauty of Iowa for generations to come. Like dedicated guardians, they work tirelessly. From dawn till dusk, they are out in the field, ensuring that our natural resources are protected and managed sustainably. The DNR manages Iowa's state parks. These parks are not just pieces of land, they are sanctuaries for wildlife and havens for people seeking solace in nature. These parks offer a chance to connect with nature, to hike through forests where every step brings you closer to the heart of the wilderness, to fish in clear lakes where the water is so pure you can see the fish swimming below the surface, to camp under a starlit sky where the constellations tell stories of ancient times and the night air is filled with the sounds of nature. But the DNR's work goes beyond recreation. They manage wildlife populations, ensuring that each species thrives in its natural habitat. They protect endangered species, giving them a fighting chance for survival. They ensure the health of Iowa's forests, prairies, and rivers. These ecosystems are the lifeblood of our state, and the DNR works tirelessly to keep them vibrant and thriving. The DNR is a vital force in preserving Iowa's natural heritage. They engage with the community, educating and inspiring people to take part in conservation efforts. Their work ensures that future generations can enjoy the same beauty we experience today. By protecting our natural resources, they are safeguarding the legacy of Iowa's wild and wonderful landscapes. Imagine a sea of tall grass, a vast expanse of green swaying gently in the breeze, stretching out in every direction, stretching as far as the eye can see. This is the landscape that once defined the heartland of America. This is the prairie that once covered much of Iowa, a rich ecosystem teeming with life, from the smallest insects to the majestic bison. Today, much of it is gone. The relentless march of agriculture and urban development has transformed the landscape, replaced by farmland and cities. The once vast prairies have been reduced to small, fragmented patches, but there is hope. Amidst the loss, efforts are being made to restore what was once lost. The Neal National Wildlife Refuge is a beacon of hope, a place where the prairie is being reborn. Here, the prairie is being reborn. Through dedicated conservation efforts, the land is slowly returning to its former glory. Through careful planning and hard work, the land is healing, native plants are thriving, animals are returning, the sounds of nature are once again filling the air. The refuge is a testament to the power of restoration. It stands as a living example of what can be achieved when we work together to heal the earth. It shows that even in the face of loss, we can rebuild. We can bring back the beauty and diversity of our natural world. We can create a better future for Iowa's nature. A future where the prairies thrive once more and where the natural heritage of this land is preserved for generations to come. The American bison, a symbol of strength and resilience. Once they roamed Iowa's prairies in vast herds, but hunting and habitat loss nearly wiped them out. Now they are making a comeback. At the Neal Refuge, a herd of bison grazes once more. Their presence is a sign of hope. It shows that conservation efforts can work. The bison's return is a victory for nature. It's a reminder that we can reverse course. We can bring back what we thought was lost. Inspiration for conservation can come from many sources. BBC Earth and National Geographic are masters of storytelling. Their documentaries transport us to far-flung corners of the planet. They show us the beauty and fragility of nature. We can learn from their example. We can use stunning visuals and compelling narratives to showcase Iowa's natural wonders. We can inspire people to care about the environment. Through education and awareness, we can build a movement to protect Iowa's natural heritage for generations to come. Small actions, big impact. Everyone can contribute. Protecting Iowa's nature is not just the responsibility of the government or large organizations, it's a shared responsibility. Every individual can make a difference. Plant a tree, reduce your carbon footprint, support local conservation groups. These are just a few ways you can contribute. Even small actions, when multiplied by millions, can have a profound impact. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positive change. Exploring Iowa's ecosystems, a world to discover. Iowa's natural beauty is diverse, from the rolling hills of the driftless area to the majestic bluffs along the Mississippi River, from the quiet tranquility of its forests to the vibrant life teeming in its wetlands. Each ecosystem is unique. Each plays a vital role in the health of the planet. Exploring these ecosystems is a journey of discovery. It's a chance to learn about the interconnectedness of life, to appreciate the delicate balance of nature. The music of nature, a symphony for the soul. Close your eyes. Listen to the gentle whisper of the wind through the prairie grasses, the soothing sound of a babbling brook, the cheerful chorus of bird song in the morning air. This is the music of nature, a symphony for the soul. It has the power to calm our minds, to rejuvenate our spirits. Connecting with nature is good for our well-being. It reminds us of the beauty that surrounds us. It inspires us to protect it. A call to action, protecting our natural heritage. Iowa's natural beauty is a precious gift. It's our duty to cherish and protect it, for ourselves, for future generations. Let us be inspired by the work of the Iowa DNR. Let us learn from the examples of BBC Earth and National Geographic. Let us all do our part to conserve Iowa's natural heritage. Together we can ensure that Iowa's beauty continues to inspire and amaze for generations to come.